few years back, a friend obtained some small pine whips from the Arbor Day giveaway, and one of my classes and I just came out here to begin clearing the area around these pine trees so that we can ensure a good future for them. You'll be able to see an original picture of my class that helped me today, along with a before picture of all of the fall foliage that is now done with, so that these pines will prosper. The next phase of our pine tree project will be to trim the branches about to waist high on all of these pines so that they will grow big and tall and strong. There's another couple in the back.